Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a 2024 remake of this 52-inch GE Kaiden, one of two. The other one's in the bedroom over there. This thing was bought from Costco like 6 years ago now. These are actually quite decent fans, and of course being Costco, they were sold at a cheaper price, so a lot of people bought them, including my other grandma, because they have a different version of a different fan after they stopped selling this one at Costco. Costco seems to have switched to selling Hunter fans, which those are pretty good too, because they have been around since the 1800s or the 18 something. I don't exactly remember. Here's the light. Here's speed 1, just a 4-speed fan. Oh, the blades are reversible. It's silver to black because the black side is on. As you can see, that one has the black side showing because it matches the wall and stuff. I think these were like 150 at Costco when I remember, something like that. Which is, again, decent price. Some people think, of course people have their own opinions, but some fan people think that older fans are just way better, and that is true to some extent, because older stuff is somewhat, usually better, somewhat. But then there's the double-sided sword of, people upgrading newer stuff and getting better, I guess. So it's kind of a catch-22. But, all the modern fans that I've seen and tested myself have been pretty decent, on par to the vintage fans that I have seen and tested, which are not many. So I get tastes of them here and there, I guess. This one doesn't want to respond for whatever reason. There we go. Here's speed 2. Maybe I gotta try and balance this one so it's not so wobbly. I've never tried balancing ceiling fan. I don't know. Maybe the balancing kit is laying around somewhere. Yeah, this is only speed 2. It's a bit of a jump from 1 to 2, but it's throwing out air. Even though there's probably only a little spinner motor in there, but this is a AC. Let's make that speed 3. Hang on. Yeah, there's speed 3 there. Speed 4, which is you can tell by the airflow and the wind noise, it's definitely throwing around some air. Yeah, maybe I should try and balance this one. It's a little shaky. Or maybe just because it got hit at some point. It got hit with we were playing with, me and my cousins and I think my sister were playing with something in this living room at one point, and something hit the fan. I think it hit the bottom and like tilted it for a while. But I don't know if that would cause it, because it didn't hit the blades. It was hitting the bottom of the lights. I don't know.
Something got stuck in there, a balloon or something got stuck between the fan and the ceiling. Once when I was here. That
Yeah.
kids did too.
I don't know either. All I know is I remember definitely we were doing something and we hit the bottom of the here and it tilted the fan because it's on the down rod ball. But you know that's normal because you know as it's sea you need to be able to. If it does wobble, it shakes. It has a chance to shake. Maybe I should try and mount this one. I've seen people trying to use, like on YouTube, people use like quarters and coins and stuff too. Maybe I should try that if I can't find the balancing kit. Because normally these do come with a balancing kit. Well, some of them do. Not all of them.
We probably threw it away.
Probably. Or could be around here somewhere. I'll look for it. I'll look for it for another day, maybe.
I don't save much. If it's not going to be usable.
You can buy them too.
Yeah, I'm sure you can. When we go get my light for my switch.
Yeah.
Charge my battery.
Oh, these AC motor fans have a longer spin down than these DC motor ones. That's for sure. This one stopped. I remember the one that was the Kendall one that was in there before it really like a really short spin down. I think it's just the way that those DC motors are designed. And there we go. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys. Yeah. All right. Bye.